guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an extra special video. We will be using the full collection. Well, not using, we're gonna review, try on, and I'll give you guys some swatches of some of this stuff. But we have the Colourpop X Disney designer collaboration. We have the full collection and I'm super excited. Now the full collection retailed for $110. A little bit of false advertisement because the full collection did not include the two cheek highlighters, which I was very disappointed. And yeah, we have a palette, 6 luxe lipsticks, 6 super shock shadows, and we have 3 lip glosses. And we're gonna get right into this video because I'm excited. Now the palette does come in this gold packaging and it has all the signatures of the Disney princesses that are involved in this collab. We have the palette and it is stunning. These girls look like they're ready for fashion week. We have Tiana, Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Snow White, and Cinderella. And I'm a huge Disney fanatic, so you already know I had to get this collection. This is what she looks like, and I think it's very pretty. And inside we also have the signatures of some of these girls. You know what we're gonna do is, my face has been ready for this. I've been ready, so we're just gonna go in and do an eye look, and we're gonna quickly go into Triton, which is this shade right here. Now there is some fallout, I'm sure you can see that, but again, the pressed powder shadows from Colourpop are some of my favorite, and they're very affordable, so you guys should check them out on the website. They're amazing. So I know that this palette will be nothing short of amazing, and we're just gonna go in with that and use that as our transition shade and just pop that right in there. Once I heard that there was a Disney collection, your girl was like, must have. Hello, Snow White. I have Belle's Enchanted Rose sitting over there, which was a Christmas present for my boyfriend, from my boyfriend. It was the best gift ever. It lights up and everything, and it sits bright on my vanity. And I plan to finish the rest of my sleeve Disney. So hello, Disney everything. There we have Triton laid down. It's a very nice color. We're gonna now just take a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is called Abu, which is Aladdin's little monkey friend, and we all love Abu. Now I know there are a lot of Disney princesses, and I would have loved to see Mulan included in this collection. I believe she's considered a Disney princess. We have Rapunzel, we have Sleeping Beauty. There's just so many, but I love the way that it was Disney designer and the girls look modern day fashionistas, and I think they just look amazing. They are also beautiful and stunning, and they are ready for the red carpet. Now these shadows are definitely blending together very well, but again, I expect nothing less, especially from Colourpop. I also just found out that they did a Make-A-Wish collab with this young girl, and you guys should look into that. All the proceeds will be going to the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and I think that that is amazing. I love Colourpop. Their brand is just they make me cry all the time. Now we have a lot of nice shimmers in here, and I do want to use the super shock shadows, but I wanted to use the palette. I really wanted to use the palette. I forgot a brush. I really wanted to use the palette fully on the eyes so that you guys can see a look using the full palette. So what I want to do is I want to go No, we don't want to do that. Yeah, we do. No, we don't. I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Enchanted Rose. And we all know where the Enchanted Rose comes from, Beauty and the Beast. I'm a little sick, so don't mind me if I'm just blah. I'm really like, bleh. But I'm here, and we're just going to put this all over our lid. This shade is extremely pretty. Very metallic. It's stunning. Now, I'm gonna just take an M411 brush right here, and I'm gonna dip into this Beast shade right here. It's sort of a dark brownish color, but it also does have some greenish reflex in there. But I'm just gonna take that to deepen up the corner, even though it does have that reflex in there. We don't mind, it's all good. And I'm just gonna put that into the outer corner right here so that we can deepen this look up. I usually do it before I put the lid shade on, but sometimes it just helps blend in over that lid shade and it'll look prettier. Just my opinion. You don't have to do it like that. You can add it before you put the lid shade on, but again, I like to do it after sometimes or before, just to deepen that up. Now that we have that deepened up, I am in love. In love, in love. Boom. That is so beautiful. Just gonna lift this up a little bit. Boom. Now we're gonna take a flat shader brush. Not shader brush, I don't know. This flat brush right here. And I'm gonna go into that same Beast color. And I'm just gonna run that under the bottom lash line. Don't forget to tap off your brush. Just gonna run this down to connect it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take a fluffy brush and we're gonna go back into that Triton color, which we used at first for our transition shade, and we're just gonna buff this out on the bottom so that we give it that nice smoky effect. Alright, now that we got our under eyes blended out, we're gonna take an E36, which is this little Morphe pencil brush, and we're gonna go into the shade Prince Charming, which is this shade right here. And we're gonna use that as our inner corner highlight. We're just gonna pop that in the inner corner. Boom. I'm also going to run that closely under my brow bone right here. I love to put a shimmer under my brow, because then when it catches that reflect, it just looks so nice. Boom. Now we're gonna go into a liquid lip. We're gonna have a luxe lip. We have Cinderella first. They come in this gold packaging right here. They also come in the boxes with that princess on it, which is stunning. Don't mind my broken nail. And then it says Cinderella underneath. And Cinderella has this nice pinky mauve shade. And I'm just gonna swatch this here. Boom. Beautiful. Next we have Jasmine. So you know Jasmine. Then we have, boom. Jasmine has this hot pink shade. Holy moly. We're gonna swatch that right next to this one, so you guys can see. Woo! That's a nice shade right there. Next, we have Ariel. Now, Ariel is usually known for the red shade, but she does have this neutral nude, which is very pretty as well. So there we go. Some shitty swatches, but don't mind me. Next, we have Snow White, one of my favorites, and she has the classic red. So here we have the classic red, and we're gonna, boom, classic red. Go ahead, Snow, do your thing. Then we have Belle. Belle has the more mauvey, pinky, almost, it's like a nude mauvey pink shade. And then finally we have Tiana. Look at her, stunning. And Tiana has this nice brick red shade right here, which is beautiful. Boom. So there we have all 6 princesses. Who do we want to use? Well, with this look, I'm feeling like using this shade right here, which is Belle. So we're just gonna use Belle. I love the Luxe liquid the Luxe lipstick formula. It's so good. They're very creamy. I think this shade just goes well with this look. We have 3 glosses. We have Bibbidi, Bobbidi, and Boo. This is Bibbidi, Bobbidi, and Boo. This is just a clear gloss and it has some gold reflex in it. Then we have a peachy gloss, and then we have a pinky gloss. We're gonna use some of this clear gloss. Boom. We're gonna dab that on top to give it more of a wet look. Just gonna quickly wipe off my applicator so it doesn't stain. And then we have the Super Shock Shadows. Now the Super Shock Shadows I will swatch for you guys. We're gonna start off with the shade Almost There. Very pretty. Okay, we have the lipsticks on this side. We're just gonna flip my arm upside down. And we're gonna start with this shade right here, Almost There. The Super Shock Shadow formula is above and beyond amazing. Hello, hello. Do you see? That's like one swipe. Next, we're gonna go into Hi Ho. Hi Ho. And it's this nice white shimmery shade. It has like a pink reflex in it. See if you guys can see that. Next we have A Whole New World, which is purple. And it's like a twilight color. It has some pink in there. And we're just gonna put that right next to that one right there. Now, it's not showing as pigmented as it is in person. Like, maybe I'll go over it again. Boom, yeah, exactly. That is like stunning. Then we have Be Our Guest. Ugh. Sorry. Nice shade right here, and we're gonna put that right there. so you guys can see that. And then last but not least, oh no, we still got one more. We have Under the Sea, which is my favorite out of all 6. Oh, this shade right here, this beautiful sea foam. Oh, this is probably not the best place to be swatching them. I'm sorry, I have to keep my arm like up here, but we already used the front of my arm for lipsticks. Finally, we have, so this is Love, and it's right here. And here is the last Super Shock Shadow. Boom. So they're all beautiful. They retail for $5 a piece. The formula is amazing. They're just, I'm actually gonna grab the shade Hi Ho on that pencil brush, and I'm just gonna add it into the inner corner on top of that Prince Charming shade, and just look at how it brightens it up. Like, it's already bright, but once you pop that in there, it's like, woo. Now, I actually think that this whole collection is just bomb. Like, the eyeshadow palette, I believe, is $22 or $20, but it's beautiful. Now, you do have some mattes, some shimmers. They are stunning. As you can see, they performed very well on the eyes. If you're a big Disney fan or a collector like me, then I say go out and get this set. If you love makeup, buy this set. If you guys just want it, go buy it. It's Disney. It's Disney. What more should I say? It's Disney. I'm gonna just spray my face. MAC Fix Plus, because we are finished. And this is my final look using the It's a Princess Thing palette. Then we have the Belle lipstick on. And guys, Colourpop outdid themselves. Disney, you're awesome for collabing with Colourpop, the best company you could have collabed with. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I have some special stuff coming. Some special stuff. I mean, everything we do here is special, but I had fun. I'm a little sick and I'm out of it. I'm like blah, and I don't want to bore you guys, and I don't want to make this video too long. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.